Right, just put the light on, it's easier. Right, so you can see now the battery is 5.7. I specifically charged that one to 8.4 volts, and now it's 5.7. It's doing nothing. You just started the engine a couple of times, and the rest of the batteries are all on higher voltage. So that pack there, that third one, needs to be swapped out, which means this has to come out again, which is a bit of a pain. However, I might get away with just undoing the bolts from this end. No, I don't think so. I'm going to have to lift it. I can probably, yeah. No, I don't know. We can get this off, I'm thinking. You know, undo the bolts down there. Sorry. Undo the bolts down there and undo the bolts here. Take this off and then unbolt these ones here and get that one out. So we don't have to dismantle a whole pigging battery. You know. But it's I think it's going to be tomorrow's task, although I might just get it out for now. Yeah, I think might leave it. I'm going to put it on the lift so I can lift it up and then I can bring the G-Wiz inside. Yeah, I don't know, but that means this has to come out. Yeah, I don't know. That's just not happy. So that pack needs replacing. The others are probably alright. That's the one that's specifically bad, because it's showing these, it's only measuring in pairs. These are fine, these are down, and that specifically is the one that's a low voltage. Yeah.